Hey guys, I'm just gonna get down from up here. I found another wild food. This is a mistletoe. One of many species of mistletoe you can find around here. It's a pretty interesting plant. Now, this one here, hemiparasites, the wire leaf mistletoe, you can see of course where it gets its name, grows on acacias and mulgas, and it blends in very well with its host plant, a kind of mulga which also has wiry leaves, and this is to avoid predation. Generally, butterflies and caterpillars will strip all the leaves of mistletoes. Unlike in Europe, Australia doesn't have many deciduous trees, so they're usually well hidden in their host plants. Also, unlike European mistletoes, Australian mistletoes are edible. They have a very pleasant flavour, kind of like watermelon, but the drawback is that they are very, very slimy. Take a look at this. Wonder how to... Yeah. Definitely not the best texture. Very snotty, very slimy. But they're also very sweet. You see, the sliminess is part of how they spread around. Now, they're spread exclusively by the mistletoe bird. Very sticky. The mistletoe bird, found across all of Australia, across everywhere where mistletoes are found. They eat the berries and they pass through their digestive tract in just 25 minutes. And because they're so sticky, they stick to the branches of wherever the bird is. And then they grow. When they germinate, they burrow into their host plant and attach themselves to the phloem. And then they get all their nutrients out of that and they can start growing. The host plant, of course, doesn't like that, and often they'll attack the mistletoes with their natural defense system and kill them. Sometimes, though, they can become overwhelmed by mistletoes and the host tree will die. So it's a constant battle between the two. They have a very pretty red flower. Most mistletoes in the Amiema genus have red flowers. That's the biggest mistletoe genus in Australia. Now you can see how it attaches to the plant there. It's almost like it's become a part of the host plant itself. It's completely fused in. I collected a whole bunch this morning because I've gotten used to the sliminess and it's a very pleasant flavour. They're sort of white to pink, the berries. This is in contrast to the mistletoes of North America and Europe. You don't want to eat those. They're highly poisonous. Australian mistletoes are in the Loranthaceae family, which is edible. The European mistletoes are in the Santalaceae family. You're going to want to give that one a miss. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you liked the video.